Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best meat cutter knife is Victorinox Pro Slicing Knife. This knife features an ergonomic Fibrix Pro handle for a non-slip grip even when wet. This exceptional knife is weighted and balanced for easy handling. With a long, narrow shape and razor-sharp edge, this knife can slice through meats in a single, smooth motion. The high-carbon stainless steel blade makes smaller and thinner slices easier and more uniform. A versatile kitchen essential for slicing and carving meats. Crafted with a round tip and Grandin blade, this knife creates air pockets to minimize friction and improve meat separation. Stainless steel blade 12-inch in length. Meets the strict National Sanitation Foundation standards for public health protection. 12-inch blade with a 5.4-inch handle creating a total of 17.4 long. Preferred by both home chefs and culinary professionals, the 12 inches Victorinox Fibrix Pro Slicing Knife can handle nearly every kitchen task imaginable. Crafted with a comfortable handle, superior weight and balance, and a razor-sharp Grandin blade that rarely requires resharpening, this knife is an essential tool for every kitchen. Number 2 in our side is Marico Ultra Sharp 11-inch Carving Knife. This 11 slicing knife works well with different types of meat. Long enough to cut through brisket, pork loins, turkey, ham, smoked salmon and roast. It can also be used to slice fruits and vegetables. The long, ultra-sharp blade is engineered to deliver highly precise cuts with minimal effort. Most desirable length by professionals. Sharp blade with premium stainless steel engineered to excel on all cuts of meats, including big roasts. It is also designed to last. Provides well-balanced weight distribution and secure grip to make you safe and comfortable. Fits perfectly in your hand. The ultra-sharp blade is engineered to cut through precisely with minimal effort and is built to last. This slicing knife works well with different types of meat. The length of the blade is preferred by professionals to cut through brisket, pork loins, turkey, ham, smoked salmon and roasts. It is versatile and can be used to slice fruits and vegetables as well. It is also ergonomically designed, with a well-balanced weight distribution and secure grip to make you safe and comfortable. Third in our best meat cutter knife list is Victorinox Fibrix Pro Curved Boning Knife. This is versatile deboning tool. Trim or remove meat from the bone with ease. This knife's pointed tip easily pierces meat while the curved edge allows for smooth, clean cuts close to and around the bone. Ideal for delicate cuts. Delicate poultry and fish can be difficult to debone with accuracy. The curved yet flexible blade allows for a better working angle when cutting fish or thin cuts of meat that are more intricate to bone and easily pierced. This knife features an ergonomic Fibrix Pro handle for a non-slip grip even when wet. This exceptional knife is weighted and balanced for easy handling and comfort. Knife dimensions. Stainless steel blade 6-inch in length. Meets the strict National Sanitation Foundation standards for public health protection. The Fibrix Professional line of Victorinox knives delivers the precision and efficiency of the restaurant kitchen to your home. Combined with a sharp, narrow, curved blade that measures 15 centimeters in length, the non-slip handle of the Fibrix boning knife has been ergonomically designed so that cutting without resistance and separating meat from the bone becomes a simple, swift task. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is two 12-inch carving knives. This slicing knife is one of the longest kitchen knives in the kitchen. Its narrow blade means that it produces less drag as it cuts through food, allowing it to create cleaner, more uniform slices. It can also be used to deal with meats, larger fruits and vegetables, as well as cake. Adopted German high-carbon stainless steel, it won't rust over time in most of the circumstances. The steel is precisely processed with high-tech vacuum heat treatment for extraordinary performance and superior strength. The full tang handle is made from our patent-pending high-density Packawood composite. Compared to other wood handles, it is way more stable and sanitary. No matter how bad the kitchen environment is, it will be no shrimp, no expansion, no crack, assuring you food safety. With 9 inches of length, the steel is ideal for most sized knives without getting cumbersome or poking too far out of your knife bag or woodblock. Tiny grooves along the steel's surface work to bring back and straighten the edge. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Mueller's 7-inch meat cleaver knife. Mueller's super sharp cleaver knife is made of high-quality stainless steel that resists rust, corrosion and discoloration, quickly resharpens, easy to clean and maintain. Designed to be multi-purpose knife for professional applications, and it can be used for your daily kitchen tasks, this durable knife's razor-sharp and laser-tested blade effortlessly chops, minces, slices and dices. It is suitable for both home and restaurant kitchens. Sharpness is key to achieving the best cuts, and this is evident in the knife's blade, which is quite sharp and will remain this way even after tough tasks such as cutting up all kinds of meat or removing flesh from bones. The sharpness is further boosted by use of the latest engineering. To make it more professional and minimize any fatigue, finger numbness or aches after holding it continuously for an extended time, the knife's handle is ergonomic and provides you a secure, comfortable grip, not easy to slip, sturdy and labor-saving. For details, let's watch more.